You see, tonight it not go normal. If you missed the last two, this is the third one, right? This is the third Saturday, and we're trying to do this every single Saturday. Do what? We go live right here on SouFLoTV, myself and my co-host, the beautiful Brains and the Beat. People still ask about a question, is Brains your woman? But think you did that with a white girl, all kind of something. Y'all not paying attention to the channels. Go over to SouFLoTV if you really want the answer to that question. Anyway, tonight when we go live, last week, the first week we went live, we had 100 and something people tune in, right? The next week after that we went live, we had 200 and something people tune in. This week we are trying to set a new number, but it ain't really about the numbers, right? We just love the niceness of the show. It's got nice tonight. A bag of things get talked up. Last week a stripper girl from Jamaica, Jamaica, call in, I say which part she stripped, call in and talk up a bag of things for a bag of people. And all these other things, and of course we talk about the people that didn't want to talk about no politics. We gave them choices. We said, what do you want to talk about? You want to talk about politics, the way the economy are run, rare. You want to mix up the people them say left out the politics. Make we go mix up, right? Build up something. If you burn something, I talk about man who burn them herb and them thing there, roll that up. If you drink, pour up. Come sit down with me and have a good night. We go live at 9 p.m. Don't miss it. Somebody said, well, SouFLo, we're not going live at 9 p.m. and on stage I go live at the same time. Well, here what? You have to go have on stage on one device and SouFLoTV on the next device, and whoever else you want to watch around that time on the next device, but don't miss the show. Alright? So, here are some of the topics that we're going to be discussing. Did I mention we're trying to keep it at 1 hour, but we end up always going 2 hour plus, 3 hour plus. So you know the thing nice. All we want to come off, we can't come off. So this week we'll talk up things like Vybz Kartel locking the game still, from which part in there. Dropped some bangers recently. And if you notice one time Vybz Kartel dropped theme banger them, what happened? Everybody else either go silent or them light get dim. Meaning the media spotlight come off of them immediately and go up on Vybz Kartel. He's like a showstopper and a stealer. Him steal the show, him stop them spotlight. All him friend them, right? All him children them in the game. Like everybody have to pay attention when him thing drop. That's what we're going to talk about tonight. We're also going to talk about Nelly being arrested for rape. We talked about Mystical being arrested for rape. We switch up the genre then because we're not one-dimensional. You know what I'm saying? We're talking about Nelly, the rapper Nelly, who ain't rapping no more. But he's a business mogul anyways, and him just get arrested for rape. Mystical, shake fast, but watch yourself. Him get arrested for rape too. All these rape charges upon them brother here. We're going to talk about faking it in the bedroom tonight. Man do it more or woman do it more. We're going to talk about how to tell if she or he is faking it. We're going to talk about the reasons why people fake it and all them kind of something there. We're going to talk about Daniel D.I. and the baller. The way how the baller just kick it to it. The baller said, no, nothing no goes up. We're going to talk about that. What a piece of embarrassment. We're going to talk about where could Daniel be right now and how is she responding to the baller saying all the things he has said. On the up-to-date, my man, and come with some hot topic too. We're going to talk about Bob Marley and other great reggae legends being on crack cocaine. Yes, it has been alleged, but people are saying it's not no alleged thing. It's factual thing. Right? So we have all the elders them are calling to, oh, it's a WhatsApp calling. That means, say, pick up the phone and call in. Ring off the line and say what you have to say. Make the world hear what you have to say on SouFLoTV tonight at 9 p.m. So, the number for the call in, check it in the comment section below. You will see the number. Me I gonna say it right now one time. It's 1-321-576-2232. And remember, it's WhatsApp, so anybody will have the app anywhere across the world. You can call in from Timbuktu. You can call in from backward Africa. You can call in from any which part of Jamaica. Anywhere in the world you are, you can call in. 1-321-576-2232 tonight, right? We're going to talk about the Jenny and how she interviewed the little girl who did get slapped away by her mother with the machete. Remember a woman where her two big titty them a swing and she beat up the little girl with the machete and we thought she was chopping her. And the dog get a one slap out of it and take for himself. Arr, arr, arr. That, we're going to talk about that tonight. We are going to talk about, here is one more. What if? Remember when my girl, what's your name? No man, the one where they deal with Gunny Bop. Remember when Shauna Chin and Gunny Bop and we said them didn't manipulate the game because they would make us believe so them break up, but them not really break up and then them back together and the whole heap of excitement that surrounded that. People didn't even call them the new dancehall couple royalty and all these things. Well, I'm gonna see what that they know. But imagine this. Imagine if I, Shauna, right? Foota Hype, remember, you know, I Shauna and Foota Hype have picnic together, you know, mother and father that to a child, you know. So, imagine if they have actually sat down behind the scenes and decided, say, yo, nothing on go on over the years, we've been trying this thing, so in order for bust big, controversy sells. Vybz Kartel bleach out him skin, call himself Cake Soap Jackson, put on a bunch of tattoo upon himself and DJ about him Cake Soap and them thing there, don't it? Alkaline come and tattoo him eyeball or so we thought for the first 2 years in career before him come out and say it wasn't. Controversy sells. Talent alone don't do it. So imagine if what I, Shauna and Foota Hype are really doing are actually they're manipulating the game, but secretly it's still a couple. Them still there to, yo, we're gonna talk about bag of things tonight here, so just tune in to SouFLoTV live tonight. It's going down. Alright, see you there. I'm out. And don't forget the WhatsApp number to call in is 1-321-576-2232. We're gonna body it up. I have my drinks ready. Brains is gonna be there, Brains and the beat, and I don't know already, it's nice.